Understanding Stressed About Money, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common expression in English, stressed about money. This phrase touches on two important aspects of life, stress and finances. Our goal is to help you understand what it means, how to use it in a sentence, and to give you the confidence to talk about this topic in English. Let's dive in. When someone says they are stressed about money, they are expressing that they are feeling worried, anxious, or overwhelmed by their financial situation. This could be due to a variety of reasons, such as not having enough money to pay bills, being in debt, or fearing the loss of a job. Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension, and when it's about money, it specifically relates to financial concerns. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Ever since the rent went up, I've been stressed about money. I'm not sure how I'll manage my expenses. 2. After losing his job, John has been really stressed about money, wondering how he'll support his family. 3. With the upcoming surgery, she's not only worried about her health but also stressed about money and the medical bills. These examples show different scenarios where financial uncertainties lead to stress, highlighting how common and relatable this feeling can be. Since being stressed about money is a feeling many of us might experience, here are a few tips to manage it. 1. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to gain control over your finances. 2. Savings plan. Even a small amount set aside regularly can provide a financial cushion and reduce stress. 3. Seek professional advice. Financial advisors can offer strategies to manage debt and improve your financial situation. 4. Mindfulness and stress reduction techniques. Practices like meditation can help reduce overall stress levels, making financial challenges more manageable. Feeling stressed about money is a part of life for many people. However, understanding what it means and how to express these feelings in English can help you navigate conversations around financial challenges more confidently. Remember, managing financial stress is not just about handling money wisely but also about taking care of your mental and emotional well-being. We hope this video has been informative and empowering. Take care, and see you in our next video.